Hello techies, and in this lab we're working on lab 9.3.9, which is to perform a DHCP spoofing on PathAttack. This video is going to be a bit lengthy, so you may want to take your time. You are the IT administrator for a corporate network. You're experimenting with the DHCP IP. In this lab, your task is to complete the following. From IT laptop, use cap to launch an on-path man. In the middle, this PIP using the following. Okay, so we have our informations here, and then from support complete the following tasks. We're going to find the current default gateway being used, answer question 1, start capture Wireshark, filter this IP, bring the network interface down and back to reset and new this PIP address, and then we're going to answer question 2 and 3, find the current default gateway being used. From office 1 complete the following tasks, use just to find the path to check the IP address of Office 1 computer, release and renew the IP address assigned by DHCP. Check the IP address of the computer again. What has changed? Use traceat to supply the what has changed? Log into the employee portal using the following. From IT laptop, find the captured username and password in Ethercap. Alright, so that is it for remember that this is 9.3.9 lab. So let's go ahead and start lab. And if you find this video to be too fast for you, you can always pause the video occasionally and work at your own pace. So we'll wait for the lab to load. Alright, this lab has loaded. Let's start up with the first task. So let's click on sniff, unified sniffing, and go to emp20. So and scroll down to DCP. Okay, and the information given is 255.255.0 and 192.168.0.11. So click OK, and alright, so from the sorry about that, I guess I have to plug in my PC now. Just a minute. Okay, so we go to support and we go to terminal, type in route, and let's answer the first question. 192.168.0.5. No, is that it? 192. Okay, so N20. So boot. So bring the network interface down and back up to request a new DHCP address. So IP link set emp20 down. Scroll down and let's see. Okay, let's see. So let's answer the next question. This is going to be 192.168.0.5, 192.168.0.46, and this is going to be back at 4. From Office 1, complete the following tasks. Use Testout to find the paths to the MK supplies. Okay, so let's go to Office 1. Okay, we are now in Office 1 and Terminal and Tracenet. RMK supplies. What do we have? Okay. Let's scroll down and ipconfig. Okay, what do we have? CompTIA local. Yep. ipconfig release. Okay, so rmksupplies.com is open. What are the details? It's going to be Black B Jackson. Then password is going to be super separate one. Okay. Remember, you can always copy the details in so that you won't make a mistake while trying to type it in. So just copy and paste. Just copy, paste, login, change your password. Let's go back to flow 1 and add the admin. It's in laptop. Let's maximize this. Alright, so username, password B Jackson. So let's go to the next, check our answers. This is correct. If this video was okay, we have, let's keep working. We missed one question here. Let's answer let's go and perform the remaining tasks. We missed the tax. Type in the password. Okay. Alright, so that's all we needed to do. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.